So hello guys, welcome to your free strategy session. And today I'm going to break down my exact strategy that we at Crystal Ecom Media implement to our e-commerce clients ad account and get amazing results that I'm going to share you with in just few minutes. So before jumping onto the strategy session and showing my own e-commerce clients, I wanted to feel you about scaling your brand to multiple 5 to 6 figures, because I'm challenging you and giving you a guarantee that after watching this strategy session till end, and if you implement the exact strategy to your business, you are gonna see some genuine increase in results. And if you watch the strategy session till end, I challenge you, the strategy session alone has the potential to change your monthly revenue figure. If you are willing and hungry to scale your business to multiple 5 to 6 figures a month and 7 figures a year, please watch the strategy session till end. And I'm going to show you what are the 3 main pillars on the basis of which our strategy has been crafted and what we are going to discuss in this strategy session. So these are the 3 main pillars on which our strategy has been crafted to deliver some amazing results that I'm going to show you in some minutes. So the first is the platform you must be on. The second is the 3 components of successful advertising, and the third is mastering the art of becoming ubiquitous. And if you implement these 3 pillars directly to your business, I guarantee you will feel some genuine increase in results. So this is the ad account of one of our e-commerce client, which is a jewelry brand. And the interesting thing is she has given us a very tight budget of monthly ad budget of just $2,000 a month. And we have accepted this as a challenge for us and just implemented our exact strategy to this ad account and got a conversion of $13,686 with an ad spend of 1.4k, and exactly the ad spend was $1,388. So you can directly see that we have got more than 13.5k conversion from an ad spend of $1,388. And how we have done that? We have just implemented our exact strategy that I'm gonna break down in this strategy session. And if you want to see these kind of results directly implemented to your ad account of your business, so please watch the strategy session till end. So let's move on to our next e-commerce clients results. And this is also a jewelry brand for which we have got a purchase conversion value of $14,338 with an ad spend of $2,784. In just first month, we have got amazing conversion of more than $14,000, and we have got an amazing ad budget of $3,000 a month. And what we have just implement our exact strategy that we have already doing for a long time and getting conversion results like this. And you can also see this is our recent ad account result. You can see on the right top corner on the date range, and you can also calculate the purchase conversion value, which is not displayed because of Facebook is delaying on tracking, I don't know, due to the iOS 14.5 update. And let's move on to our next e-commerce clients ad account result. And this is very interesting. This is very interesting, and you can directly see how much amount we have spent and how much we have got. So I will be honest with you, this was a retargeting campaign which we have run on Facebook and Instagram, and this is usually a skincare brand for which we have worked and got an amazing conversion result of just spending less than $400, $391.88, and got a conversion of $5,942. So you can see just by spending $400, we have got $6,000 on purchase conversion. What we have done is just implemented the exact strategy that we are doing for a long time to this ad account also, and got a purchase conversion value of $6,000 with an ad spend of $400. So it's an unbelievable but some crazy results that most of the people does not believe. And if you want to implement these kind of results to your business, your brand, and scale it to multiple 5 figures with a low ad budget too, just don't worry, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this strategy session and implement directly to your business. So let's move on to our next e-commerce clients result. And this is a cosmetic beauty product brand for which we have spent $7,228 and got a purchase conversion of $1,45,000. So you can see by just spending $7,000, we are getting a purchase conversion of $1,45,000 with an purchase ROAS of 20.07 average. So if you are ready to get these kind of results, so please watch the strategy session till end. I guarantee you, if you implement exact step-by-step method that I'm going to show you exactly to your business, you will feel genuine increase in results, genuinely. So move on to our next e-commerce clients results. So this is our very old e-commerce clients which is relevantly working with us for our last 9 months, and we have an ad spend budget of $30,000 a month, and we have got a purchase conversion of $511,788 with an ad spend of $26,509. So we are generating such kind of results with an average of 10 ROAS, 20 ROAS, 15 ROAS, even more than 20 ROAS sometimes. So generating these kind of results, $511,000, $145,000 for some of our clients, and even with low budgets, we are leveraging them $14,000, $13,000, and killing onto the retargeting method, we are just spending $400 and getting $5,000 on purchase conversion value. So you can see that this exact strategy works really well, and we have got these kind of results by implementing the exact strategy. So I'm gonna show you the exact strategy step by step, and if you are willing and hungry to scale your business to multiple 5 to 6 figures, you are gonna watch the video till end. So these were the exact same results that we are getting for our e-commerce clients just by implementing the 3-pillar strategy that I'm gonna break down further in the video. So please watch this video till end. And I believe that you trust with my words that this exact same strategy help us to get 5 figures to 6 figures scaling to our e-commerce client, and specifically with low ad budgets too. We have delivered amazing 5 figures results with an ad spend of 1.2k, 1.3k as well as $2,700, as I have already shown you previously in the client's results. So now, as you trust with my words, so let's deep dive into the strategy session and let's squeeze some juice out of it. So now is the time to squeeze some juice and talk about the main part of the video for which you are waiting for a long time, that is strategy. So I have just only introduced with the 3 pillars, that is the main pillars of the whole strategy. So let's talk about the first pillar, the platform you must be on. So the platform is Facebook and its network. Facebook, Instagram and Messenger. And I'm going to show you why Facebook is more cost effective platform to scale your brand multiple 5 and 6 figures a month very fast. So let's start with a graph that I'm going to show you right now. So this is the graph of most popular social media platform, and this is the top 10 social media platform of 2021, where if I talk about the top 5, the majority of the part is occupied by Facebook and its network. Ranking on the first, Facebook with more than 2.7 billion users, with YouTube 2.2 billion users, WhatsApp with 2 billion users, Messenger with 1.3 billion, Instagram with 1.2 billion users. So this was the social proof that why Facebook and its network is profitable and very useful for your brand. And if you are not pushing aggressively of being active on Facebook and Instagram and its network, you are missing a lot of people and potential customers. So these kind of results that we have got is just by leveraging Facebook and its network. If we were not on this platform, there was no any other way to generate such results for our clients. And Facebook is the most cost-effective platform to scale your brand to multiple 5-6 figures with low cost of ad budgets too. These are the results that we have got just by leveraging Facebook and its network, like getting $6,000 with an ad spend of $400, spending $2,784, got a conversion of 14.5k, spending $7,228, getting more than 145k on purchase conversion, like spending $26,000 and getting more than $5,11,000 on purchase conversion. Like, it's crazy to just optimize this exact strategy, leverage Facebook and Instagram to its extreme potential. Is it possible to leverage any other platform to generate these kind of results? The answer is no. So these are the real proofs that shows how important and profitable is to leverage Facebook and its network. So moving on to the next pillar, which is the spinal cord of the whole body, that is the 3 components to successful advertising. So what are these 3 components are? Let me show you. So before getting on to the 3 components, I'm going to show you the first component, ad copy that strikes a nerve. And this is so much important to strike a nerve of your customer through your ad copy. Plus creative that stops the scroll, plus audience that act. This equation equals to successful Facebook advertising. So these are the 3 components to successful Facebook advertising. So I'm gonna talk about each of this section and teach you how to leverage these sections to its extreme level to get your brand to multiple 5 to 6 figures. So let's talk about first ad copy that strikes a nerve. Crafting ad copy that strikes a nerve within your ideal customer stems from completely understanding your ideal customer avatar. Let me ask you these questions. Do your advertisement speak to your customer directly? So let me explain this question with an example of your customer. For an example, Jessica is your customer, and after reading your ad copy, does she feels that yeah, this ad copy is directly connected to me. Yeah, this is the product that I really needs. Like this is the solution of my problem. Does she feels after reading your ad copy that this is an ad created for me directly, or does she feels it is created for millions of users out on the platform, or does she feels it's just an advertisement? Do your advertisement look like they are a friend speaking to your ideal customer? So let me explain this question also with the example of Jessica. Does your advertisement directly connected to her? Does your advertisement pinning the pain points of her and providing the solution to her problems? Does your advertisement is so salesy, just is only talk about the product and its features and the brand, not talking or connecting even to Jessica? So why Jessica would be interested in it? So your advertisement should be directly connected to her and should talk to her like a friend, should serve a solution for her problem, and your product should be a solution for her problem. Do your advertisement fit into the platform you are advertising on, but also catch your ideal customer attention? So let me explain this question. Very important question. So please be focused here. So does your advertisement fit into the platform where you are running ads? I have already show you and showcased you what are the percent of user leveraging Facebook for the maximum, and it's the 88% of Facebook users are leveraging Facebook to connect with friends and family. So your advertisement should also look friends and family content, and it should engage and grab the attention of the people. So if it's not, you should be getting work on your ad creatives as well as your ad copy that strikes the nerve of a customer. If you answered no to any of these questions, then you need to seriously revise your current marketing approach. Even if you are getting good results, but to get such amazing results, you need to think about it really. You need to revise your current marketing approach. And I'm gonna serve you all the things, how we do that and how you could do step by step further in the video. So please watch the video till end. And the hard truth is, nobody willingly reads an advert. Like nobody wants to read an advert, and I have a social proof that I can prove my statement from this graph. This is a graph which shows leading Facebook usage reasons according to users. So the most important for the users is to keep connect with friends and family, like watching family content, chatting with their friends, having fun, and like this is how they leverage Facebook for their own sake. With the amount of users of 88%, 33% users are leveraging Facebook to get entertainment, to just watch some memes, crack some joke, watching funny videos, listening to music, whatever they do. Like there are 33% to leverage Facebook to get entertainment, and 23% of users are leveraging Facebook to get news, 17% to follow brands and companies, 11% to strengthen professional network, and 6% are for the other purposes. And right now you can see there is no any reason which shows the users who are leveraging Facebook to see an advert. That literally shows no one is willing to see an advert. Literally nobody is willing to see advertisement, and that I have already proven by a social proof, which is a graph shows that why users are leveraging Facebook and its network. And there was no any reasons for a particular percentage of people leveraging Facebook and its network to see advertisement. And here is the trick why you have to craft an ad copy that strikes a nerve and an ad creative that stops the scrolling. Because by leveraging these two sections, you are gonna trick the user to read your ad copy and proceed to the next step. And this is legal, by the way, because we are leveraging our product to be a solution for their problem, and that's totally legal, right? So now you have learned about the importance of striking a nerve through your ad copy. So now you have learned how important it is to strike the nerve of your customer by your ad copy. And this is the Excel sheet that has helped us to create some amazing ad copy for our clients. And I'm going to show you how to use it. And if you haven't created such kind of Excel sheet, please go to your Google Sheet and create exactly the same sheet. And I'm going to show you how to leverage it to its extreme level. And I'm going to break down our exact strategy that we used at Crystal Ecom Media for our e-commerce client. So the first section is product and service USPs. Like, what are your unique selling points over your competitors? Why they should choose your product over the others. Now the next section is brand stories, and literally many of the people admires by the story of the brand, the motive of the brand, and then influenced by the story, they just literally buys the product. And I'm not joking here anything. That is the reason we have leveraged the brand story section. So write it down. What's your motive to start your brand? Like, what's the actual motive that can benefit your customer? What's your brand story that can inspire a stranger to be a high paying customer? So the next section is your audience demographics, and it's really very important to understand your audience demographics. So you have to think about it. What's your audience age is? What's your audience gender is? Where they mainly located is? Like, you have to think about it and just wrote it down on the Excel sheet, which will definitely help you to craft ad copies that strikes the nerves and pinpoints of your customer. So the next section is, who does your audience follow? It may be any influencer, it may be any celebrity, and it may be your competitors, your brands. So you have to study about this. So you have to write all these down. And the next section is, what excites your audience? What frustrates your audience? And the main section is, what words or language does your audience use? Like, the age group of 18 to 25 may not use the words used by an age group of like 40 to 60. What are your majority of audience speaks? Just wrote down the ad copy in that language. Use those words that they use in their daily life, and that would definitely connect your ad copy to them. And the next and the important section is, who are your competitors and what they are currently doing and what are their marketing strategy. If they are doing well from you, you have to study what they are doing well, and if not, so it's well and good to have a spy on your competitors to not doing well from you. So this was the exact Excel sheet that has helped us strengthen our ad copies and just strikes the nerve of our ideal customer. So now, what happens when your ad copy strikes a nerve? Now you must be thinking like, that's okay, but why do we need to strike nerve? Like, what's the need and why do we do that? So the first reason to do it, like, it elicits a response like nothing else. So when your ideal customer reads your ad copy, they will generate an innate motivation to buy your product or proceed to the next step. Because you struck a nerve, this is because they feel as though you are speaking directly to them one-on-one. They feel as though you truly understand them, and they will feel as though your product is something that they need. And the second reason, your CTR increases. Because this type of ad copy elicits a response like nothing else, your CTR drastically increases, which makes your advertising efforts ridiculously more profitable. And here's how. So the uncomfortable truth about increasing CTR is, now what CTR is, it's a click-through rate, and it measures how much amount of people have clicked through 100 impressions. If Facebook has showed 100 times your ads on its platform, and if 10 people have clicked on your ad, that the CTR is 10%. And if one user has only clicked on it, the CTR of your ad is 1% CTR. So now let's talk about an average CTR which everyone has, and it's a 1% CTR. So with a 1% CTR, an average of 5,000 clicks on your ad, and a 3% of website conversion rate, you will generate 150 purchases. The uncomfortable truth about increasing CTR is, now we were spending, for an example, $100 on your ad spend. With an ad spend of $100, we have got 150 purchases. But now, if I say you, with the same amount of ad spend, you can get 300 purchases. And this is how the CTR works. Just by increasing your ad CTR by 1%, now I'm going to show you how much purchases you are going to make. So with a 2% CTR, you are going to make 10,000 clicks now. Because now more people are taking action and clicking on your ad copy. And this happens when you strike a nerve, right? And with the same 3% website conversion rate, you are going to make 300 purchases right now. So that means 1% CTR to 2% CTR is equals to 2x returns, and it's an average and very common among those who has implemented our strategy. And literally we have gained CTR percentage to 5 to 7% also. That is how we are leveraging such an amazing results just by low ad budgets too. And if you implement this exact strategy right now, you will see genuinely increase in your CTR percent, which results in more purchase conversion. So this was the first section, ad copy that strikes a nerve. And after creating an ad copy that strikes a nerve, now it's time to go to the second section, that is creative that stop the scroll. And this is the most important thing that we should look after creating an ad copy that strikes a nerve. So creative that stop the scroll. How many ads have you come across in the last 3 days that brought your scrolling to a halt? Probably not many, right? See, it doesn't matter how great your ad copy is if no one is reading it. So as I have already told you how it is important to make your users stop and see your ad creative. So I'm going to show you an example of an advertising that we have run for a while. So this is an advertising and it doesn't look like an advert. Literally, it doesn't look like an advert. The first thing that we have exactly implemented our strategy, and on the main point of our strategy, we have to engage our audience with our ad copy. And literally, as I have gone to the first step, that your ad creative should be fit onto the platform. So as I have already mentioned you, 88% of people are leveraging Facebook to just see friends content, family content, and this is exactly that's where the creative fits into. And the picture shows clearly that it's a family content. It would be like my picture, friend's picture, and literally the picture seems to speak some story about it. And it's just a beautiful shot that literally people loves and just stop their scrolling and stare at the picture. Now the sole purpose of the creative is to get people to stop scrolling. And now we have got it. Now it's the time, like majority of the users, now after seeing the picture, they will read your ad copy. And now it's the time for your ad copy to strike a nerve of your customer. Should pinning the pain points of the customer, which leads them to proceed to the next step or directly purchase your product. And this is how these two sections are the spinal cord of the whole structure, of the whole strategy. And this is a toolkit which you can leverage for creating ad copies, ad creatives for your Instagram as well as Facebook ad campaigns to get amazing results. And the first is PR, product reviews. You have to just written out a review which just strikes the nerve of your ideal customer. A beautiful shot of creative that stop the scroll. And now it's the time for your customer to purchase the product. And the second is product value proposition. The third is UGC, and it's my favorite, just favorite. And why is it so? It just kills out on purchase conversion with a very cost effective way. UGC stand for user generated content. Now you have to do something to just convince your customers to make a short review of their product, where they like it or not like that, a short kind of video, and you have to just upload it on your ad copy because it literally connects with customers very well. Every customer has its own expectation from your product, but a customer who is using it and sharing his experience literally connects with the other customer very well. So you have to generate user generated content. Now the fourth one is influencer testimonials, and it's very important to run because influencer has influenced over many of the customers, many of the people, and by leveraging it you can just convert those people to your customers. And the fifth one is lifestyle, and the sixth one is product on white. So these are the 6 essential toolkit that you should be using to create your creatives as well as your Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns. Now I will talk about the third and the important section of our whole strategy, that is audiences that act. If you do these two things right, ad copy that strikes a nerve plus creative that stops the scroll, then all you need to do now is find where your ideal customer congregate within the Facebook platform using avatar driven targeting. Now this is the easy part because Facebook has the most advanced AI targeting on the planet, and Facebook's #1 priority is their user experience. And so because their AI and deep learning is so advanced, they understand exactly what people want to see and what they don't want to see. This enabling brands to only have their ads shown to audiences that are actually interested in your product. And if your ad copy and creative resonate with that specific audience on a deep level, they convert. So now let's move on to our third and the important last pillar of our whole structure strategy is mastering the art of becoming ubiquitous. Studies have shown that the rate of people who abandon checkout is 77.24%, and for every 100 people who add a product to the cart on your website, on average only 23 of them will actually purchase. So by not becoming ubiquitous, you are leaving over 77% of your business on the table. And now, how to leverage those 77% of the people who have visited your website but haven't do a purchase. So we have to run retargeting ads, but it's not easy. But to just get some amazing results, we were just spending $1 and getting $15 back, and I'm gonna break down the exact strategy with you. So as you can see on screen, this is a purely based retargeting ad campaign that we have run for one of our e-commerce clients, and you can see we have done retargeting ad campaigns run both on Instagram as well as Facebook. We have generated over $6,000 on retargeting ads by just $391 of ad spend and got $5,942, $6,000 on profit, and with a ROAS of 15.16. Like, we were spending $1 and getting $15 back with retargeting. So how to profitably become ubiquitous? You run paid organic traffic, run Facebook ads and Instagram ads to your website, and then from your website, the amount of people have landed on your website, according to the study, 23% of the people do a purchase, and rest of the 77% people do abandon checkout and leave. So now, how to leverage those 77% of people to become your customers? And this is the most powerful tool that only Facebook has, that you can set retargeting ad campaigns. So now we will set out retargeting ads for this audience of 77% of traffic. Retargeting audience. Leveraging retargeting audience is the singular most powerful tool within Facebook. I have already shown you how powerful it is. We were spending $1 and getting $15 back from retargeting ad campaigns only. So now, leveraging this 77% of the audience, we will run retargeting ad campaigns, which are very easy, right? But the truth is, however, here's the caveat for which no one is talking about. The hard truth about retargeting ad is it will never work for you if you only just implement your strategy. You must change your approach for retargeting because the dynamic is different and it's changing day by day. So with experience, understanding the retargeting audience state of mind first. So I have created a funnel for you to explain you how to understand the retargeting audience state of mind. So first, it's in cold advertising that you have already shown by your ad copy that strikes a nerve. They converted to your website and they already are on your website but haven't do a purchase. So product focus creative plus copy that makes sense. Now you would be thinking, what's copy that makes sense? Majority of those within your retargeting audience need an extra push to get them over the line. That's why they didn't purchase the first time around. The number one best piece of copy you ought to use for retargeting is offer based copy. I have already told you the retargeting audience is already sold. Retargeting audience knows what your product is and how your product can be beneficial and how the product is going to serve as a remedy for their cure or injury. So now, what's a offer based copy is? Your retargeting audience already knows the value of your product as they have already been sold. And so when they receive a 10%, 20%, whatever it is off offer, they purchase straight away. Now they know what your product is, but as I have already told you, there was something that leads them to not purchase directly. The second unmatched piece of copy you ought to use for retargeting is what I like to call the FAQ piece. These are the common questions that you are handling around every day in your daily life. Do you have a guarantee? Do you ship internationally? Can I make a return if I don't like it? Does this work if I am an X? How is this different from everyone else? There will be one question you always get asked from customers who are on the fence about buying. So it's safe to assume that there's a myriad of more customers in your retargeting audience with that exact same questions, and so you want to answer that within your copy. The platform you must be on. The second, the three components to successful advertising. The third, mastering the art of becoming ubiquitous. Now, you have two options. Option 1, doing this yourself. This will take you a long time to build a solid proof of concept that routinely, month on month, splits out cash. Like, we have experience over many years. Our team members are very experienced over these things, and we have the proof of concept from a very long time that you now have to build to get excellent results that we are getting with the same strategy. You may not even be profitable, and if you are, then you will have to go through multiple months of losing cash before you get to the point. Like, we have many clients which were running ads on their own, but they were not profitable. Even they were running a number of ads, eventually they were losing their cash and not getting the purchase of conversion as they have expected. You won't have any creative direction, which will result in aimlessly putting out ads and hoping for the best. And literally hoping for the best just with your emotions eventually doesn't work. You have to track data routinely and split test what's working for your brand specially and what not. You won't have your ads written by experts at copywriting, which will hinder your entire funnel results, because if no one is clicking, then no one will buy. Literally, I have already shown you how important it is to craft an ad copy that strikes a nerve. And without being an expert, you won't be able to write a copy that strikes a nerve for your customer. And the most expensive thing is, while you are focusing your entire days on marketing, which you will be because this is a full-time job, there will be no energy spent in the other areas of your business, which will cause you more harm than the good. Now, the option 2 is working with a different agency. Not only do other agencies take an entire month to onboard you, but they also have the nerve to charge you for onboarding. Majority of the agencies out there use something called a spray from the hip strategy, where they try anything and everything and hope something sticks. This wastes a tremendous amount of money, and even when they do find something that works, it never recover the lost money. And like many agencies or many freelancers out there are not even skilled and haven't worked with any of the e-commerce brands. And not only they will just waste your money, they will just hope for the best. And I have already told you, but emotions and hoping for the best on Ads Manager never ever work. They also have a laughable approach to copywriting that never focuses on getting as much juice out of their SKUs. They will just literally create an ad copy that literally talks about your product, your offer, and that's it. And that's it. And eventually, crafting that ad copy nowadays never ever works, as you have also experienced the same, and you will just waste and burn your money. And eventually, at the end of the day, if you are getting frustrated from them, you have lost in your money because they doesn't provide any money back guarantee. Now, option 3, we can scale your e-commerce brand together. So till then, I have just scratched the surface, and a load deep of knowledge I am gonna serve you on my growth demo call. And what is the Crystal Ecom Media growth demo call? It's just a simple conversation with you and myself. We break down your business to its foundations, true numbers, and see if it makes sense to scale up via paid traffic. If you are a good fit, then we will simply explain what we have to offer, and if it makes sense on your end, we can move forward and start to the road to multiple 6 to 7 figures. The 30-minute growth demo call will be the most valuable 30 minutes you have invested in your business this entire year. I'm challenging you. It has the capacity to completely change the trajectory of your overall brand. So, who is this for? E-commerce founders who are making more than $50,000 a month. Those who are actively wanting to scale their brand to multiple 6 and 7 figures. Brands where their product brings immense value to their customer lives. Now, we only work with the brands who really cares about their customer. Those who are solely result oriented. As we at Crystal Ecom Media, especially me and my team members, only cares about results, nothing else. If results and nothing else. We are hungry every time to deliver amazing results to our client and see happiness on our client's face. It's also for those who understand that the only way to make aggressive headway to multiple 6 to 7 figures is by having skin in the game. So, till then, I have just scratched the surface, and a load deep of knowledge I'm gonna serve you on my growth demo call. And what's the growth demo call is, it's just a simple conversation with me and you about your business, and I will be deep diving into your business and its foundation to see what are the solutions that you can implement directly to your business and get genuine increase in results guaranteed just for free. And for those who are willing and hungry to scale their business to multiple 5-6 figures a month and ended up getting 7 figures a year, please book your demo call by pressing the Let's Chat button below this video. You will be redirected to my scheduler link where you have the convenience to set up the 30 minutes meeting, Zoom call meeting according to your time and convenience. And I'm gonna challenge you. These are gonna be the best 30 minutes that you could invest to your business in the entire year. So looking forward to have a chat with you and excited to have a chat with you about your business on the Growth Demo Call.